Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about converting a coin on your Crypto.com account over to another coin. So for this example, I'm going to be using the Crypto.com coin and converting it to Bitcoin. So what we want to do, towards the top, we want to click on where it says trade, and that opens up the trade menu. We want to click where it says buy. And since we're going to be converting to Bitcoin, we're going to be buying the Bitcoin option here. And then right here in this area where it says crypto wallet, we're going to click on that to open it up. And then we need to select which coin that we want to convert to Bitcoin. I'm going to be converting CRO, which is the Crypto.com coin. And I'm going to be converting about 1,000 of these over into Bitcoin. So then we select the Bitcoin area, and I'm going to click on the max amount, and then click Buy BTC. And then you have 15 seconds to check everything over to make sure it checks out to you. Click Confirm at the bottom if everything looks good. And then enter in your 6-digit passcode. And then as long as you enter in that passcode correctly and you do all of that within the 15 seconds, it'll say BTC purchase completed. And then it'll show you how much Bitcoin that you're purchasing through converting your coin through the Crypto.com application. Tap anywhere to continue. And if you want to look at your transaction history in the Crypto.com app, you can just go down and click where it says accounts. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you can click on that little clock with the $sign, and that'll open up your transaction history. And we can see right there at the top, the CRO converted over to Bitcoin. And when we click on that, it just gives us the information about that particular conversion. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the steps on how you go about converting one coin to another in the Crypto.com application. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.